Need to turn off developer mode on your Android device? I'll guide you step by step. Start by unlocking the phone and opening the Settings app from your home screen. Scroll down and tap System. On some phones this may be labeled General Management. Inside System, find Developer Options. It's usually near About Phone or Advanced Settings. If you don't see Developer Options, it may be hidden because it was turned off. Tap Developer Options to open the full list of developer features and toggles. At the top, find the Master Developer Options toggle. It enables or disables the mode. Tap the toggle once to switch developer options off. The switch should slide to gray. You may see a confirmation dialog on some models. Read it and accept to proceed. After switching off, back out to Settings and confirm the developer options entry is gone. If the setting doesn't apply immediately, reboot your phone to ensure the change takes effect. Done. Developer mode is now off. Reopen Settings later to verify or contact support.